So we're installing a locks right here.
So which seal you want to put in?
Anyone, number one.
Doing it from scratch.
Sorry, so we're actually making the locks right here. And then we're going to put on the extension. So we're doing it from the start right here. Okay.
So which means now you don't have to wait 6 months to get a full head of locks.
Instant locks. Then we put it on right here. Look at there.
So now you're going to attach the locks onto the hair.
Then we're going to install this now.
Let me go on the other side so I can see properly. So he get instant long dreads. You don't have to wait long like how I grow my dreads from beanie.
No, you don't. Some people don't like it when it's young. As it started to budding like that. Don't want to go through the procedure. They do is instant and they put on the locks, then they get going. Nobody would not know.
Exactly, because you're not seeing no thread or anything.
Look it right here.
Let me see. Wow.
Yes.
That's skills, girl.
Thank you. So the next 6 months, if you want to take off your extension, the locks actually here already. So
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow, that's magic. You just created magic.
Yes, we do. Right at New Beginnings Beauty Salon.
Wow, and this is the head right here. She's gonna do the whole head like this.
So look at it.
See, so this is the hair. And this is the locks.
This last girl to come in.
And she don't want to come.
Yes.
Well, she gets to come now.
That's magic. So what you have to tell the wow.
Look it right there.
What you have to tell the people?
Come on down and get your extension. Yeah, and we do wholesale prices too.
Okay, bye.